getting rid of your emotional baggage. Being infertile is extremely stressful. It starts affecting self-esteem, it starts affecting sexual desire. You feel incomplete as a woman. Oh, I can't even do a simple thing like have a baby. I can't give my mother a grandchild. So you feel guilty, incompetent, inadequate, and all these feelings start spilling over into other parts of your life. So it starts affecting your career, you can't focus, and every time a friend says, hey, guess what, I'm pregnant, you're never sure whether to be happy for her or sad for yourself. And you tend to become a bit of a social recluse. Your personality changes because you no longer want to go out and meet your friends because all they're talking about is, hey, I'm pregnant, or my baby is doing this, or I'm expecting my second baby. And you feel a little bit of an outcast and they don't associate with you anymore. And in fact, in some parts of India, you're actually considered to be unlucky or inauspicious if you can't have a baby. And of course, all this is going to have a consequence. Now, there's some women who are fortunate, they're strong, they're stable, they understand, hey, this is a medical problem, it's not my fault, I need to take medical treatment for it. But having said all this, no matter how much you rationalize it to yourself, there is an emotional blow, especially when you see your husband playing with someone else's kid. You feel, oh God, I wish I could give him a baby, but my tubes are blocked and I can't. And maybe if he'd married someone else, he would have been a happy dad by now. So there is this burden, and I completely get that. But I do have one request. I tell all my patients, carrying all that emotional baggage is just going to make life much harder for you. And it's not going to increase your IVF success rates. I agree it's hard being infertile. I agree it's hard going for an IVF treatment. I agree it's expensive, it's stressful, you're never sure whether it's going to work or when it's going to work. But by being so emotionally labile, you're just making a bad situation even worse. And the most important thing you need to do is to step back. Get out of your skin. Stop thinking that it's you whom you're advising. Pretend that you're advising a friend or a younger sister. This helps you to be a little more objective. I know a lot of patients say, yeah, doctor, it's very easy to give all this advice. You don't know what it's like to be infertile yourself, which is true. But that doesn't mean that I can't understand what you're going through. I can be empathetic. I am compassionate. But at the end of the day, you're the only one who can resolve these emotional issues for yourself. And I tell patients, you must start with a clean slate. There's no point thinking about the earlier cycles which have failed, or the earlier doctors who cheated you or who provided you with poor quality treatment. Learn from those mistakes. You've paid the price. Now you're much smarter than what you were. You're able to find the right doctor. You're able to ask the right questions. You're much more able to live with the ups and downs and the uncertainty because you've been there, done that. You know what's involved in IVF cycle. And I tell patients, if you're coming to me for IVF, please come with a smile. This is not compulsory treatment. You've not broken your leg. This is treatment you take because you choose to take it, because it maximizes your chance of becoming a mother, of becoming a baby. And not only does information therapy help to reduce your emotional lability, being a little bit spiritual. Now, you could either do Buddhism, you could do Vedanta, you could learn Stoic philosophy. I'm not talking about being religious. I'm talking about spirituality. And this actually will help you cope so much better with the ups and downs, not just of IVF, but of all of life. Simple tools like meditation and mindful awareness will allow you to remain in charge of your IVF treatment, no matter what the final outcome is. And we're happy to be partners in your journey.